Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to use quick settings on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. Quick settings on your Windows 11 is located at bottom right corner of your taskbar. Here, simply click on Wi-Fi and sound icon to open the quick settings menu. From here, you can turn on most frequently used options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, night mode, mobile hotspot, accessibility, and volume slider. If you're on Windows laptop, then you will also get a brightness slider to adjust your screen brightness on Windows 11. However, some options are missing on your quick settings menu. Then you can also customize or add new quick settings options. For that, simply click on this pen icon. Now to move any icon, you can simply drag the icon and it will get moved, as you can see here. If you want to add any quick settings option on the quick settings menu, then click on add option, and here you will find all the available quick settings that you can add. Say for example, I want to add cast, also nearby and project option. After that, simply click on done, and these settings will be added to your quick settings menu. So that's it. This is how you can use quick settings on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.